I'm going to review this Latches and Dolls Busyboard by VTech. Here's the back. That is where you replace the battery. Yeah. It's a newer VTech toy. Let's turn it on.
What's behind the windows and doors? Open one to find out. There is one train. Have a good day. It's playtime. All aboard. Have a good day. There is one train. Have a good day. Let's count the puppies. 1, 2, 3. Bye-bye. 3 puppies are in the doghouse. Bye-bye, puppies. Let's count the puppies. 1, 2, 3. Bye-bye, puppies. Yay! Party time! Yummy, yummy. Yummy! How many cupcakes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! Party! Yummy, yummy. There are 2 fish. 1, 2. Bye-bye, fish. The fish are swimming in the bowl. Bye-bye, fish. Can you count the people? 1, 2, 3, 4. See you later. Nice to see you, family. See you later. Now the light is on. Now the light is off. On. Off. Now the light is on. Now the light is off.
Let's switch to music mode now.
Music time.
I'm not going to play off. That's fine.
Music time.
This is a volume series. I forgot.
Let's play and explore. Open and close each door. There's so much we can do and see. With all our friends and family, let's learn and play some more.
And this she can hide white tail. It doesn't stick real well. Okay, goodbye.